This Ring doorbell footage was uploaded to a Reddit forum. According to the homeowner, a woman rang the doorbell in the late hours on a rainy night. What was unusual about her? Pay close attention to her mouth. This middle-aged woman, holding an umbrella, was not known to the homeowner. She rings the doorbell and waits for a few seconds, her mouth still eerily wide open. She had her mouth open throughout the whole ordeal, except for closing it for a few seconds, indicating that her jaw isn't actually locked in that position. After trying the doorbell twice, the woman walks away, disappearing into the dark, rainy night. Even though nothing malicious happened, there is something extremely unsettling about people with their mouths gaping wide open. What do you think was wrong with this woman?